Good morning, dear students. As we know that today is the most important day, that is World Environment Day. So, I will shed light on the importance of this day. I will also mention the points of what we are losing day by day with the declining condition of our environment. Yes, students, it is necessary to be discussed among us so that we can know about World Environment Day and other points related to it. My dear students, UN had established a special day named as World Environment Day in 1972 to save worldwide environment for our better future. On the earth, in the happiness of worldwide technological development, we have forgotten that we are losing something too. Such developments have given happiness to us, however, on the other hand, it has snatched many natural heritages from us. My dear students, do you know that our many favorite foods have been predicted to go extinct just because of our mistakes have been done for years in the form of development like high use of electricity, deforestation, industrialization, direct sewage outing to the big river, canals, inventions of polythenes, etc. Harmful inventions such as given rise to the global warming, pollution, rise of sea level, etc., and declining the healthy condition of environment. World Environment Day is a great annual event celebrated globally on the 5th of June to understand our mistakes and act positively to neutralize the bad effect of those mistakes. It has been established to act actively on its various objectives. It was first celebrated in 1973 by the United General Assembly and United Nations Environment Programme to address various environmental issues like global warming, food shortages, deforestation, etc. According to the scientists, in the near future, more than two-thirds of flora and fauna will be extinct because of human-induced environmental changes. Our future generations will have no access to the foods like honey, coffee, king corn, chocolate, and seafood because of huge changes in the climate environment. Deforestation at large scale is pushing many plant species like palm oil, etc., towards extinction. Dear students, we need to do something effective in order to reduce the rate of climate changes as well as save many natural resources for better life on the earth in future. 3R techniques, that is reduce, reuse and recycle, can be very effective in lessening the impact of our bad activities over natural ecosystem. We should start from small but effective steps like switch to organic food, use of natural fertilizers over chemical fertilizers, reduce use of electricity, reuse things, recycle waste, stop deforestation, save wildlife, etc. Our positive steps will really help in solving environmental issues in near future. Thank you students. Healthy environment, healthy future. In last, I would like to say that we should not want to protect the environment. We should create a world where the environment does not need protecting.